Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Netflix account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store, click on the search bar, search for Netflix right over here, just in case if you haven't downloaded and installed it, just download and install it onto your device. Click on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and create an account, on the bottom of your screen, as you can see, there is a message which says create a Netflix account and more. Go to netflix.com/more. Simply tap on that, click on continue. And once you do that, you're going to be on this website right over here where you want to click on create a Netflix account. Finally, it's going to ask you for an email. Go ahead and enter your email. Then it's going to go ahead and ask you to create a password. Go ahead and do that as well. And it will finally send you a code on the email that you have provided. And you just need to go ahead and enter your code back into this site and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.